Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Airbake Cookie Sheet is probably one of the most sought-after baking tools for home bakers and professionals alike, known for its exceptional heat distribution and non-stick surface that ensures perfectly golden brown cookies every time, minimizing the need for excessive greasing or parchment paper, saving you time and effort in the kitchen while producing consistent, delicious results. This Airbake Cookie Sheet review will delve into its features, performance, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right addition to your baking arsenal. Number 5. Checkered Chef Baking Set. Introducing the Checkered Chef Baking Sheet and Cooling Rack. This set has everything you need for baking and cooling your favorite treats, all in one convenient package. This stainless steel rack is built to last. It's perfect for use in the oven or for cooling freshly baked goods. Enjoy even baking and easy cleanup. Say goodbye to burnt bottoms. It provides even heat distribution and the rolled edges add extra strength and durability. It's designed to withstand high temperatures. The baking sheet and rack are designed to be the perfect size for each other, ensuring optimal airflow and even cooking. They also work great separately too. We've included a handy baking mat for easy cleanup. Simply place it in the pan for a non-stick surface and effortless cleaning. What we like? This set includes a baking sheet and a cooling rack, perfect for baking and cooling your treats. The stainless steel rack ensures even cooling, preventing soggy bottoms. If you're looking for a complete baking solution with a bonus baking mat for easy cleanup, this is the one for you. What people say. The aluminum half-sheet pans provide excellent heat conductivity, so you can finally say goodbye to burnt bottoms. And the stainless steel wire baking rack is perfect for both oven use and cooling down your cookies. Had it for a year and still works and looks great. This one is not coated. Cooking on the rack with a double layer of foil underneath over the sheet pan makes cleanup nice and easy. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Baking Sheet Set. These baking sheets are designed for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. They're made of high-quality aluminum and are dishwasher safe. Cleaning these baking sheets is a breeze. Just wipe them with a sponge in warm water, or pop them in the dishwasher. They'll always look shiny and new. It's made from high-quality aluminum, ensuring they're durable and reliable for all your baking needs. They're also non-toxic and food safe. Each sheet measures 17.8 by 12.9 by 1.3 inches externally and 17.08 by 12.4 by 1.3 inches internally, providing ample baking space. This set includes 2 baking sheets, so you always have a spare ready to go. Perfect for large baking projects or when one needs cleaning. They're incredibly versatile. Use them for baking, roasting, and even grilling. The possibilities are endless. What we like? Get 2 half-sheet pans in one purchase, always having a spare ready. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. If you need extra baking capacity and want easy cleaning, this is a great choice for you. What people say. Love that they are durable, don't warp and are easy to clean. I needed a sheet pan larger than a 1/4 sheet but smaller than a 1/2 sheet pan for the small oven on my new Wolf dual fuel range. This pan fits perfectly. It is also quite heavy and well made. These baking sheets feel strong, not flimsy, unlike the average baking sheets that you get at your local store. Easy to clean. Number 3. NutriChef Baking Sheet Pans. These baking sheets are made with premium carbon steel for even heating and long-lasting durability. Say goodbye to warped pans and hello to perfectly baked goods. The non-stick surface makes releasing your treats a breeze. No more scrubbing or scraping, just effortless cleanup. They're built to last. It provides even heat distribution, ensuring your food cooks perfectly every time. The high sides prevent spills and keep your oven clean. Enjoy even baking and cooking with ample airflow. Cleaning is a snap. These pans are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. You get 2 pans in this set, a large and a medium, perfect for all your baking needs. Make big batches or smaller treats with ease. What we like? These pans boast a durable non-stick coating and heavy-duty carbon steel construction for even baking. Cleanup is effortless thanks to the non-stick surface. If you value durability and easy cleaning, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Nice size and heaviness. It really is non-stick. These pans work great. So easy to clean up. They work as expected with no warping. Number 2. Nordic Ware Classic Cookie Sheet. This premium cookie sheet is made from pure aluminum, ensuring even browning and delicious results every time. It's built to last and will never rust. Experience perfectly browned cookies and baked goods thanks to its superior heat distribution. Say goodbye to uneven baking. 3 raised edges provide a secure grip, while the smooth front edge ensures effortless release of your treats. Cleaning is a breeze. It's recommended to hand wash it for optimal care and longevity. A little care goes a long way with this high-quality pan. With ample baking space, it's perfect for large batches of cookies or other treats. The dimensions are 15.7 by 13.9 by 1 inches, exterior, and 14.1 by 13.1 by 1 inches, interior. This pan is made with pride in the USA using high-quality materials and craftsmanship. You can trust in its durability and performance. What we like. Made from premium aluminum, it ensures even browning and easy release of your baked goods. The smooth surface makes cleanup a snap. If you prioritize quality and even baking, and prefer American-made products, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They make the best cookie sheets and don't require time or temperature adjustments to your recipes. Another feature, which is becoming difficult to find in reasonably priced baking pans, is the absence of any type non-stick coating. I increased it by 3 minutes. So it takes a little longer, but the end result was far superior to anything I have made on any other cookie sheet, and we've tried quite a few, including all the usual suspects and some of the fancier brands. Number 1. Airbake Insulated Cookie Sheets. Tired of burnt cookies? These Airbake sheets feature unique air insulation to prevent overheating and burning. Get perfectly baked cookies every time. It prevents the top sheet from getting too hot, so your cookies bake evenly and beautifully. No more burnt edges. This innovative technology helps it bake up to 15% faster. That means more time for you and less time in the kitchen. They're made of durable, 100% aluminum. It's built to last and easy to clean. We're so confident in its quality, we guarantee it won't rust or burn your cookies. Enjoy perfect baking, guaranteed. Get 2 great sizes, 14 by 12 inches and 16 by 14 inches, to handle all your baking projects. Perfect for cookies, pastries, and more. What we like. Air insulation prevents burning and reduces baking time. Its unique design ensures perfectly baked goods every time. If you're tired of burnt cookies and want faster baking, this is the one for you. What people say. Cookies just slide off with a gently push. It has something to do with the airflow. You get an even bake and no burn. With Airbake you never have a burn on the bottom of cookies, and they are super easy to clean and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.